Now, coming to the CenturyPly board, Century has opened its one of the biggest India's wooden manufacturing plants in Andhra Pradesh. So this was at an investment cost of rupees 950 crores, which included investment of about 700 crore for its medium density fiber board and 250 crore for its laminates and PVC segment. Now with this, what the company is expecting is another 1,000 crore investment in the second phase and a planned workman force addition of about 2,000 people for the next 5 years. So with the expansion plan, if we see, the company wants to increase its MDF capacity to 3.13500 cubic meters to 6.27 cubic meters square, if we see, and the laminates would increase from 8.77 million sheets to 9.65 million sheets. So this is all a part of the company's growth outlook, wherein it expects to clock in a revenue growth of about 10% and sustain its EBITDA margins at 13 to 14%, along with this being the main one, wherein it expects to clock in a volume growth of about 25% for its MDF segment. So yes, that was all for the stocks to watch today.
Thank you so much, Anushi. Remember that KPI along with CenturyPly, both of them have had a tremendous year, a tremendous up run. But from there on, we move on to another big story with respect to another key stock, and that's PTM. And this